today, and thank you very much for taking part. So what we're just going to get you to first is I'm going to give you a pen, and this is going to represent your finger. So this, what this icon is for, it's for a restaurant, and it's going to be on an iPad as an interactive menu for people with to promote inclusive design. So I'm just going to start off by showing you this is the first page that will appear on the screen, and just ask you to interact with it. So see what you do. Okay, so it starts off and you press click here, and what do you think? So that will bring you on to this page. Okay, and then just what do you think happens? Okay, so you're choosing that one because you. Why are you choosing that one?
The icon suits me.
And why does it suit you?
Because I have a speech impediment.
Okay, so you used to have a speech impediment, so that's going to suit you. Okay, so when you click that, this page comes up. And once again, can you show me what to do on this page?
The classic white.
Okay, so you click the classic white, and then this page will appear after that. And what do you think happens next?
Nothing. Lettuce
and okay, so then after that, what do you want to do? What are you going to do? What happens next?
after I click these two.
Yeah.
Click here to go to the next one. Or does it automatically go to the next one?
No, you just have to click down.
Oh, you just click the, okay.
Okay, no problem, that's something we can work on. Okay, so when you've clicked down, this will appear. So, ketchup.
And then I click cheese.
Perfect. So after you've clicked ketchup and you've clicked cheese, this will appear. So, what's here next?
Cheddar.
Okay, and clicked. No. So, then meat comes up.
Wow.
Okay, so
Add to cart.
perfect.
Is that the sheet comes up? Add to cart? Or
Yeah, no, what you have to click next is just the top part, and it will come up. So
oh,
you
sorry,
move.
that didn't.
Yeah, no, you're okay. No, it's alright. It's all learning. Okay, so then sides will come up. So what do you think you do now?
Pick chips and cheese.
Okay, no problem. And then this, after you click drinks, this will appear. So
We go to water.
okay, so you click water, and then this happens.
Pick tap water.
Tap water, no problem.
And dessert.
Dessert, no problem. So then you click on dessert, and this sheet will come up.
And I'll look for warm chocolate cake. With ice cream. And then milk.
Okay, no problem. So you go to bill, and this is what. So, sorry, when this comes up, so all your items will be,
It's automatically one corner already inside.
yeah.
Okay.
And then is there any other thing
Um,
that you,
I guess I'll edit my order.
okay. Okay, so on that page. Here we're back to drinks, okay. Okay, I'm just going to ask you a few questions then. Aaron, did you notice at the end of the page anything else that you didn't interact with? Was there anything, see, when you clicked, did you notice that at all?
I did.
Yeah, you noticed it, but you didn't know what it was for?
No.
Okay, so I'm just going to explain to you. If you click that, it's specially designed for you to interact with the waitress if you don't want to talk to her. So what you do is you'd insert your message here, and you'd press the send button, and then this would appear. It says your message has been sent, please wait for a reply. And then it allows you to interact with the waitress without having to talk to her if you didn't want to. Okay, so I'm just going to ask you some, just what do you think is better, the traditional menu, in your honest opinion now, or an interactive menu too?
Well, I think with a disability or an impediment like speech, I don't think people would use this. I think for more severe forms of disability they would.
Okay.
And so that's what I would do.
Okay, and which one is easier to use for you as a customer? Would it be easier to use this, or would it be easier to use a menu and talk to the waitress?
It's really easier. Well, the thing about it, which was easier. I'd say Mike and Michael.
Okay.
If we go to a restaurant and he would order something, he would try and order it, sometimes he would give up during it.
Okay.
And he'd just pass it on to me, let's say.
Okay.
And I don't know what he was getting, and then tell the waitress.
Okay. But
it's a pride thing.
so, but do you think it would be easier to use this type of app, or to use like the conventional way of talking to?
It would be easier, but I think people with a stutter would see it as a forfeit.
Okay. And just, what do you think we could do to make this better?
Expand the menu.
Okay. Okay.
And whether you get this bit, is the waitress beside you?
No, it's sent to, like the waitress will have like an iPhone, and it's sent to that.
No, okay. No, that's great.
And is there any other comments you want? Any other improvements?
Guinness was spelled wrong on one of the sheets.
No problem. Okay, we'll have a look at that. Okay, well, thank you very much for taking part, Aaron.